Man, oh man, this video has been a long time coming, and by that I mean that I haven't even thought about it until about like 2 or 3 days ago, but I definitely should have. So I've got 3 cabinet areas to work with today. This one, and this one. If you can see past my big head. I've also entrusted my countertops to handle way more than they can, not even just strictly to display items, but because I can't fit it, physically cannot fit it in any of my drawers. And by it, I mean a cluster of items, as you can see. With any kind of organization in any area of my life, I generally tend to take everything out, whether that be emotionally or physically. I take everything out of whichever place I'm cleaning and organizing so that I have a fresh slate to decide exactly what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to be getting rid of or donating, etc. Oh my god. Oh. No, oh. Aw, there's Dad. Dad, if you're watching this, I definitely meant it as a joke because you're such a big old teddy bear and not anything else. I swear. For me personally, there were quite a few items I had in here that I had doubles of, aka I had ones that didn't have any in them or very limited amount. Like none left. Oh my god. And then some that were almost full, so I took what was left in the ones that had barely anything left in them and I put them into the ones that were almost full, ergo giving me a little bit more space where I needed it. I've been buying razors. Not recently, but constantly, because I thought I was out of them. These are 2 brand new razors that have never been used. I also do recommend wiping down all of the items. One, because I had some stuff that spilled in here that I did not know where it was from, and so I definitely want to clean that off. But also because they can definitely accumulate dust if they're just in any drawer for any length of time. And why not clean as you go? I don't know if I've ever used this. I have never used this. Okay. Never used this, but some stuff got to it. So I couldn't find the actual disinfectant, like spray stuff, but got a lot of these guys, so. It is actually disgusting in here. Like, nothing in a bathroom should look like this. The point of a bathroom is to clean yourself. I'm going in. Literally just put my sleeves down, just to be able to put them back up for that one bit. Content. Still not enough, but that's gonna be close enough. Okay, so we got body and we got hair. That's about half. Don't judge me. The level of frustration you start to endure when you realize your lack of patience overthrows your obsessive compulsive tendencies. No, it is not perfect. Oh, there it is. But it's as good as I'm gonna get. You know what? Since I have scrub in one, and because Lush is made with all natural ingredients, I can put this scrub into here with just a spoon. You may be thinking to yourself, Sarah, didn't you just talk about this like a minute ago? Well, yes I did, and this is exactly what I meant. But I didn't want to confuse you like I confused myself with this clip. I warn you, the sound you're about to hear is the worst ASMR ever, but I heard it, so you have to as well. Sorry enough to apologize, but not sorry enough to take out the clip. This one I muted for you guys. You're welcome. Don't say I never did anything for you. A little less space used up. Especially considering I have another boo. Don't know why, but I do. That rhymed. Now for the partially aesthetically pleasing before and after shot. Y'all ready for this? Next up is my face drawer. Jesus Christ. All the same procedures here, so I'll just let you chill and watch until I have something funny to say. Oh boy, yeah. She gone. Okay, cool. These fresh face masks are actually like the hardest thing to get out of here once they're dry. I wonder if you could add water to these. Okay. I'll give it a go. So maybe she not gone. Maybe she okay.
She's literally fine. She's fine. No, we're not going home. She's fine. She's fine.
Okay. Guess I'll wash some hands again. Love that one for me. Oh my god. Oh, okay, it's got no expiration. Oh well. I'm not even sure this has like actually any left. Like it has some left, but like I don't know if it's like usable. Probably not, but I'm keeping the container because I have a hoarding problem. Oh. I'm fine. I don't know when this expires, but I haven't seen this in at least 3 years. Oh, this is not the same. This is not the same. They're cute. Have I used these? I haven't even used these. Okay. I mean, they look used. Like, they actually look like they've been used because there's so little in them, but they still have the little tab on them. Oh, except for that one. This one we're getting rid of. Okay. I don't know what this even is. I think it's seaweed. I think you're supposed to put water on it. I'm gonna do some research on this. Did some research. Apparently it doesn't exist. That's fine. We're all fine. We're all friends here. Why do I have it if I don't know what it is? Can't even tell you that. Oh, hands are sticky again. Why are my hands sticky? I'm not sure. Oh, I think that's why. Okay. Oh my god. I don't know when I had this last. Maybe high school? Like 5 years ago? Voiceover Sarah here. In what world were you in high school 5 years ago? Oh god. A bag full of nothing? Oh, it's because it has Angry Birds on it. Wow. Wow, Sarah. Wow. Oh, still good, apparently. I would actually probably end up using this more as like a special effects thing than actually like a skincare thing, so I'm gonna keep it. Oh, but this. Oh, who remembers these? I think they still make these, but it still looks exactly the same as it did before, and I don't know if it has an expiration date on it, but I'm gonna get rid of it anyways. Oh, that's so hard. That's what she said. Are you guys ever like afraid to put your hand fully back in a drawer even if you can see the back of it? I have no idea what these are, but they look like a present. I presently have no idea what these are, but they look like a present. Oh, that's no longer good. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. I don't have what this connects to. I think I got rid of it because I couldn't find this. Oh. There's a chain. Back. Okay. Same. I'm showing these because I find them nice to watch, but I'm fast forwarding them because honestly, I changed it like 3 or 4 times, so it doesn't really matter anyways. Again, I'm putting the last bit of an almost empty product into a new container, well, a newer container version of it, so that it's less room taken up. Oh boy, now for the big boy. So this one actually, I don't know if it had been touched in years. Oh my god, more Lush. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whew. There it is, there's the... Most of the stuff was either so far expired even without being opened, or just generally nobody's even looked at this at all. So most of it went into the garbage. The Lush stuff is going into a separate video, and well, I honestly kept very little amount of product down here. Most of it was just appliances like a blow dryer and a straightener, which I kept in the basket. Most of the stuff in the basket, I threw it out just entirely because I didn't even feel like looking through it at that point. Did I mention how expired things were? This isn't even open. Pika pika! Poor little dude. And at this point is when everything in the basket just sincerely became garbage. Oh my god. When you got some afterburn that looks like it's so old that it will burn you. Why do I have so many bath salts? As this was the last cabinet slash drawer to do, I wiped everything down and it actually was dark by this point, so my after shot is a little bit bright due to the flashlight, but here we go. I know I said that that was the last one. Now that I had actual room in my drawers and cabinets, I can move everything down from on the countertops to those drawers and cabinets. So let's do this. The last one, I promise. So like, let's talk about this. It'll be a separate video going through all of my Lush stuff, but until then. Oh, space stuff. And that's all, folks. Ugh. That's disgusting. Just a little disclaimer, I know that kind of looked like candy, but it was all just soaps and like pieces of soaps. And even though it's kind of nasty, there's still usable product in there, so I just ran water through it and then actually used a towel to get some of the soap out of it, or get some of, I guess, liquid soap by then, and clean the countertops with it. It still looks a little bit dirty, but I also did thrift this, so it wasn't perfect when I got it, but I still love it. And this is all. Don't know why I stopped my sentence there, but what I meant to say is I will be washing all of the product out of these and then either recycling them or personally reusing them. And if you guys have made it to the end, I wanted to say thank you for sticking with me as I cleaned out my entire bathroom, kind of mostly. Minus the floors in the bathtub.